Welcome everybody to year 2 of energy cultivation. So far you should have tremendous chi after this 1 year course. I have disclosed and given you all the techniques necessary to cultivate energy to a high and pure level. So now that you have energy to work with, you should be able to feel something. You should be able to work with a substance. It should be tangible to you now. It should feel like an electromagnetic field outside of your hands, and it can go wherever your thinking is, wherever your awareness is, wherever your mind's eye goes, so does your energy. At least the substance that we'll be working with. This second year we're going to be teaching you about the abilities that come along, the byproducts of your energy cultivation, because when you feel a tremendous amount of chi, you feel like you can do so much, and you're probably wondering so much. And I've kept things so simple, and we haven't talked really in depth about, any of the topics. We've just disclosed the techniques. And again, through your emails and through getting on the phone with you, I'll be more happy to get in depth with things, and we can talk about the actual, philosophies or science behind the things and get in depth if you really have questions and you want to learn more about it, understand it more deeply, innately. I would love it. Everyone's at different levels, so I leave it up to you to contact me via email, and if a phone call is necessary, we'll set that up together. Okay? So to get started with the second year, the first thing I want to start teaching you is how to bone pack. You're familiar with the bone breathing and the washing of the blood. We want to now start doing bone packing. This is going to take your tremendous amounts of energy and kind of like multiply it, okay? We really want to get enough of the stuff with us so that we have enough to use, okay? All of us can sit there and meditate for 4 or 5 hours, and then using the techniques I've disclosed to gather the energy, use it up, and then to really manifest something pretty incredible. But really, we want to do this quickly and easily without any bad side effects. So the best way to do this is to go ahead and do the energy, the bone packing. Now, the magnet's kind of done this automatically for you if you're using them with the blood washing. It's kind of like doing that and some more, okay? But what we want to do now is, if you feel the substance electromagnetic field, okay, what you want to do is, remember I was teaching you that you can feel the negative and you can feel the positive pushing down. Well, the negative pushing up, you want to take some of that as you inhale, and then you want to go ahead and start packing it into your bones, each and every single bone, okay? You can just go ahead and pack them into your bones, okay? And when you're done with exhaling and expending the energy that you gathered, it's external and it's yin. Okay, we want yin energy, alright? We can go ahead and apply this to all the bones, and even later on, so we can take it and pack it on to some of the organs as we go. But I don't really think it's necessary to pack energy too much into the organs, as what we're working with already gives you so much energy that I would just rather you stick to the bones. Now, the reason why I bring up the organ packing is because you'll be able to use this method to put on good energy on people when you want to heal them, and take away bad energy and put it somewhere when you're trying to remove something, an ailment from them. We don't want to mix our own energies. We don't want to use chi to go ahead and pump in our direct life force into somebody to remove something. That can actually be yang and more dangerous than healing. So we don't want to heal people that way ever. What we do want to do is, use the external forces and apply it there, because there's an abundance out there for everybody as far as energy is concerned. So with that being said, I want to keep it short and sweet. You want to start packing the bones, do the legs, okay, between your legs and everything, and just grab it from the earth and just pack it, okay, like you're packing, a ball of snow, or, making a ball of clay. You have to pack it to get it nice and dense. You want to do the same thing with the energy into your bone structure. And you can do bone breathing after each time you pack something to absorb it and take it in further. Okay? So it takes some patience to do this work. But these are the highest techniques to absorb and gather energy. That's how you're going to do some phenomenal stuff that we'll be talking about here soon. So with what you learn in the first year, and then adding this exercise, and take some patience and time, but when you do that, you're going to see that what I'm telling you and these next lessons are going to be quite achievable for you. Alright? Thank you for listening, and see you next lesson.